guys, igama lami nguPetunia, ngumama kaKatlego Folitheli oye wabulalwa eDeep Zone 4. Angazini ngijabulile, ilight ngiyayibona, ngijabulile kakhulu. We've been crying for this. Dala simele lento lena, kudala simele. We've been waiting, graving for this. Ukuthi uMbatha makahambe, uMbatha makathole isentence yakhe, wabulala abantwana kabuhlungu nasecourt bashilo ukuthi the way abulela abantwana ngakhona neyithombe anyeke ukhona ukuzibona, the way abunabulele bana kaTeng, from the stomach, the chest, teeth, mouth, eyes, imino ayikho, yonke into ayikho uMbatha. And another thing is icourt uMbatha akafuna ukhipha labantu laba bekabulala abantwana na. We understand, so which means yena uJesu ke uzofela bona laba ke ne girlfriend yakhe la khuluma ngayo athi use London ukuphi unamanga uyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani uMbatha. So ngithi mina viva ngiyabonga yo, mina I'm happy ngithi justice myself afele ejele abhidlike ejele angatholi parole angatholi ibail angatholi next. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, thank you.
Kimnandile Hamatu who was brutally murdered on 3 to proof. For proof sentencing, I'm happy because of now kuna di details study needed to come out, but now judge what kala unta into the facts, and then maybe the victim identity, which is now and then I'm happy with the pre-sentencing. It went well. I'm satisfied. The only thing we're postponing the case to another day. We were supposed to come tomorrow, but now we are getting 21 time. But anyway, we are happy as a family.
What are your expectations for the 21? Maybe sentencing,
there was an argument by sentencing. The lawyer a minimum sentence, but prosecutor a minimum sentence from 30 years for your coaching. But even though Judge sentencing, we happy 30 years, even though but at least justice will be saved. Yeah.